Yeah.
You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything. You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything.
Yeah. Zagatanga sekuseka, from classmates to best friends, then from classmates to lovers. Yes, classmates, I never thought we hit it off. He had a do remember, told me to back off. Threatened, yeah, that's when I grew my guts. Telling you how I fought my love for you and trust. I had a girl too, and she was bad for me. So we started out our journey as we left those streets. It was lovely, us against the world. True love ignited, that's all we ever needed.
You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything. You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything.
Our love grew so strong, Zokashamisa my school mess. True love, pasina sex. All we did was on respect, educate, motivate. We did that to each other. Libraries, study groups, nothing could separate us. But one day, all changed. Peer pressure hit on me. You were too good and I messed up in our love story. Tentac that pushed you away, and I regret that every day. I miss you, you're perfect victim.
You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything. You were my mountain lioness. You were my mountain lioness. And I'm grateful for everything that we did. I will never trade our moments for anything.